Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on our PYQ series. Welcome back to our Revise to Ace PYQ series. So today again we are going to discuss about very important question from polity, and we have taken the question from previous year exams which were conducted in the recently it was conducted by UPSC. So let's see आज का question क्या है polity का. So आज का question है बहुत ही simple. In which one of the following state has the president's rule been imposed most number of times? So यहाँ पे बात हो रही है president rule की. So you should know which article we are talking about. Here we are talking about the states. States में जब president rule लगाया जाता है, then on what grounds it is imposed. So we should know the states, its functioning and everything. तो यूपीएससी ने ये तो कई बार पूछा है प्रेसिडेंट रूल के प्रोविजंस एंड ऑल, बट अभी क्वेश्चन कैसे आ रहा है? मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. समटाइम्स वी most of the times, not sometimes, most of the times we ignore such information, such factual information, और ऐसे factual information पे questions बनाए जा रहे हैं. So we'll see which state is which one is this one of the option where it has been imposed most number of time. Okay, we will have a quick revision of the president rule. So president rule is imposed according to the article 356. Okay, article 356 of the Indian Constitution. So here we should know about Article 356. What is 356? President's rule can be imposed in any state of India on the grounds of the failure of constitutional machinery. And you should also know that the provision of the Article 356 of the Constitution of India is based on Government of India Act 1935. कई बार ऐसे questions भी, ऐसे factual information भी आ जाते हैं क्योंकि the president rule in the present format, we have taken it from the Government of India Act 1935 before independence. So yes, we have taken. Okay. Next, what you should know? You should know that the president rule is of two types. The first one being when president receives report from the state's governor or otherwise is convinced or satisfied that the state situation is such that the state government cannot carry out the governance according to the provisions of the constitution. So constitutional failure हो गया भाई. Second है under article 365 also president's rule can be imposed. अब ये article 365 क्या कहता है? It is saying that as per this article, president rule can be imposed in any state if a state fails to comply all the directions given by the union on matters it is empowered to do so. तो अगर वहां पे भी state fail हो जाता है, then union Parliament can decide and the president rule can be imposed in Article 365. So ये दो तरीके का हो गया. Now, if we talk about the president's rule, कब ये impose हुआ? So it was used for the first time in 1951 in Punjab. पंजाब में सबसे पहली बार हुआ. And Punjab is very important for today's discussion as well. The present political situation as well. We should know that what is happening in Punjab. We will discuss. President rule has been imposed 10 times in Manipur between 1951 to 2019. 2019 तक 10 times हुआ. So अगर ऑप्शन की बात करें, so it is Manipur. And अब प्रेसिडेंट रूल तो लग जाता है, क्या उसका जुडिशियल रिव्यू हो पाता है या नहीं हो पाता है? दिस ऑल्सो वी शुड नो. सो यस, जुडिशियल रिव्यू इज पॉसिबल ऑन द इफ इट हैज बीन imposed on the grounds of malified intention according to SR Bommai केस में जो जजमेंट निकल के आया कि if it has been imposed on malified intention is there, then judicial review is possible. Okay, now in the present context, अभी का जो political situation है उसमें president rule की कहीं बात हो रही है, so you will get these articles. BJP demanding governor's rule in the state. People know these leaders have been anti-BJP. CM Maan of Punjab. Akali Dal says no one safe in the state. BJP demands president rule. CM Maan hits. People know these leaders are anti-Punjab. तो अभी जो political situation है on ground in Punjab is such that people are demanding president's rule. अभी क्या है ground reality वो भी देखेंगे. But here we have a data which is talking about the different states and its year of imposition. So Manipur is the state where it has been imposed maximum number of times. These are the years. Uttar Pradesh it has been imposed 9 times. Punjab it has been imposed 8 times and Bihar also it has been imposed 8 times. So president rule has been imposed in Bihar and Punjab 8 times. So second highest कौन हो गया? Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and let's have a look at the situation, the ground situation which is there in Punjab. So government, the present day government of Punjab is under fire because of the deteriorating law and order situation in the state. We know what is happening, किसकी तलाश हो रही है पंजाब में. So because of that situation, the law and order situation, खालिस्तान movement, the leader, पिछले साल murders भी बहुत सारे हुए हैं. So उसकी वजह से the law and order situation, it is being said, last year however election was, आप जीत के आए और last year ही election हुआ है 2022 में, but the situation is not very good, law and order. तो ऐसी allegations हैं that opposition is saying that now the situation is out of control. The second issue is Chief Minister is also involved in a tussle with Governor Banwari Lal Purohit. उनसे भी अपना tension चल रहा है. And recently the Banwari Lal Purohit, the Governor of Punjab, he has highlighted that he is in no hurry to summon the Assembly's budget session. So you know that Governor has one constitutional obligation to summon the Assembly. दो तरीके से कर सकता है. This is your homework 2 times. एक तो जो भी असेंबली का साल का पहला सेशन होता है या जब भी वो गैप के बाद मिलते हैं, द फर्स्ट सेशन और द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ द ईयर, he has to summon the assembly. So that is different. And on his own also he can summon the assembly, he can ask for information. तो तब भी वो summon कर सकता है. So ये जो provision है, ये किसी article में दिया है. You let me know, this is your homework in the comment section, which article we are talking about. So the governor is saying that he is in no hurry to summon the assembly's budget session, and he has reminded the chief minister about his derogatory response to a letter from the Raj Bhavan. एक लेटर उन्हें मिला और सीएम मान ने उसका derogatory response दिया, ऐसा उन्होंने highlight किया है. So there is a tension going on. Okay, एक तो law and order की situation नहीं है सही, और जो political tussle है, that is also there. Okay, now let's revisit our question. So if we talk about in which one of the following state president rule has been imposed most number of times, so we know Karnataka 8, Manipur 10, Punjab 8, and we have seen our Uttar Pradesh 9 times. So here the answer is Manipur. So take it as an opportunity. Whenever such questions are coming up, this question was asked by UPSC in the CDS exam. So whenever such questions are coming up, you take the help of those questions and revise everything. Revise the current affairs, revise the static portion, and उस question को तो करना ही करना है. But now you see what kind of questions are coming up. कभी भी ऐसे factual जो आपको table दिए रहते हैं, उन table को ignore नहीं करना है, right? So they are very important. So what kind of question can be framed on the information given in those tables, that also we should know. So this is it, guys, and yes, current affairs as usual, I have highlighted it many times. The course is coming out really very, very beautifully. It is coming out. बहुत अच्छी information हम discuss कर रहे हैं. So still we have time. We are still in the month of March. You can join, recorded videos are there, you can attend the upcoming classes live and जल्दी finish कर सकते हो. You will feel the difference when you will watch the videos. There is no need to worry about newspaper and compilation, because in compilations you have to do this extra effort of weeding it out that कौन सी information अच्छी है, कौन सी information important है या नहीं important है. What we are doing, we are hitting the bull's eyes. क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्मेट में डिस्कस करते हैं, जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वही डिस्कस करते हैं, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट डिस्कशन चीजें याद रह जाती हैं. वी हैव बीन गेटिंग दिस रिस्पॉन्स. सर वीडियोस बहुत बड़ी हैं बिकॉज वी डिस्कस इट. वी डिस्कस उसके आसपास के सारे इश्यूज. क्लास के अलावा आपको कहीं और रिवाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. वी डिस्कस इन दैट फॉर्मेट. वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द साइकी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, द एस्पिरेंट्स, दैट व्हाई दे आर ऑप्टिंग एनी पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन. तो क्लास में जब डिस्कशन होता है तो चीजें याद रह जाती हैं. ठीक है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन विच वी हैव टू रीड फ्रॉम प्रीलिम्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, अगर उसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो ऐसे डिस्कशंस बहुत हेल्पफुल होते हैं. एंड मोर ओवर यू हैव द लिबर्टी, स्पीड बढ़ा के आप देख सकते हो. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट टेकन दिस डिसीजन टू ज्वाइन द कोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ द वीडियोज, सो दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट एंड it is helping our students immensely. So you can take your decision accordingly, and you will get the details in the description box. Okay guys, so see you all. Thank you. We will meet in another video tomorrow. Bye bye.